In this quick guide, you'll learn how to request a credit limit increase with RBC Royal Bank. Whether you're looking to make a large purchase or simply want more financial flexibility, increasing your credit limit can be a helpful step. Let's dive into the process to ensure you know exactly how to make this request. First things first, you'll need to sign in to your account on the RBC Royal Bank website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the account summary page. Here, you'll see an overview of your accounts, including your credit card. Select your credit card from the list to proceed. Now that you've selected your credit card, focus your attention on the right side of the screen. You'll notice an option labeled Change Credit Limit. Go ahead and click on that. This will lead you to a series of on-screen instructions. It's important to follow these instructions carefully and provide all the required information. Typically, you'll need to share your income and employment details. This data helps the bank assess your request, so ensure that it's accurate and up to date. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer a more personal touch, you have a couple of alternatives. You can contact RBC Customer Service directly to speak with a credit specialist. They can guide you through the process and answer any questions you might have about increasing your credit limit. Alternatively, if you prefer face-to-face interaction, visiting an RBC branch is another option. Speaking directly with an advisor can provide you with additional insights and personalized assistance. Advisors at the branch can walk you through your options and help you understand the implications of a credit limit increase. Once your request is submitted, RBC will review it, taking into consideration the information you provided. If your request is approved, your new credit limit will be updated on your account. You'll be able to see this change when you log into your account next time. And there you have it. That's how to request a credit limit increase with RBC Royal Bank. Whether you choose to do it online, over the phone, or in person, this guide has equipped you with the necessary steps to proceed confidently. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.